The Dog and the Wolf. A gaunt wolf was almost dead with hunger when he happened to meet a house dog who was passing by. "Ah, cousin," said the dog. "I knew how it would be, your irregular life will soon be the ruin of you. Why do you not work steadily as I do, and get your food regularly given to you?" "I would have no objection," said the wolf, "if I could only get a place." "I will easily arrange that for you," said the dog. "Come with me to my master and you shall share my work." So the wolf and the dog went towards the town together. On the way there the wolf noticed that the hair on a certain part of the dog's neck was very much worn away, so he asked him how that had come about. "Oh, it is nothing," said the dog. "That is only the place where the collar is put on at night to keep me chained up. It chafes a bit, but one soon gets used to it." "Is that all?" said the wolf. "Then goodbye to you, Master Dog. Better starve free than be a fat slave." The Dog and the Shadow. It happened that a dog had got a piece of meat and was carrying it home in his mouth to eat it in peace. Now on his way home he had to cross a plank lying across a running brook. As he crossed, he looked down and saw his own shadow reflected in the water beneath. Thinking it was another dog with another piece of meat, he made up his mind to have that also. So he made a snap at the shadow in the water, but as he opened his mouth the piece of meat fell out, dropped into the water and was never seen more. Beware lest you lose the substance by grasping at the shadow. The Dinosaur. Dino was a cheerful and playful dinosaur who was loved by everyone. He spent his time singing and dancing, and he kept jumping and making antics. He loved nature and, being aware of his enormous size, he took care never to harm anyone, not even a simple mosquito. One day, however, he crushed a pretty little flower that soon died. He hadn't done it on purpose, but a deep sadness took hold of him. Days passed and Dino was more and more depressed and inconsolable. His friends, distressed to see him like this, decided to seek a solution, but they did not find it. Finally, a grasshopper thought of a very reasonable solution. "If Dino is afraid of crushing flowers and small animals, let him walk on tiptoe. So it won't hurt anyone," she said with relief. All accepted the locust's proposal, which seemed to them excellent. From that day on, Dino jumped and danced, standing on tiptoe. His sadness disappeared. He became again the happy and kind dinosaur that we had always known.